Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Its effect look amazing and I really enjoy that. So let's create that. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide, we need to write a Oxford text. For example, let's go to the text and create the text box and write Oxford in that. Oxford. Okay. Oxford. After that, we increase the size. Okay, it's good. Now change the font to Overdrive Sunset. Now it's one color. We color it up. For example, we go with blue. Another copy, we color it with yellow. Another copy, we, for example, color it with, let's say, green. And another copy, we color it, for example, with this color. It's good. Okay, now I'm going to create these effects. But you see, the main reason that makes this PowerPoint special is that this color sums up here in the nice way. So let's create them. At first, we need to select all of them and try to create copy of them. Okay, I'm creating the copies in a different ways for more effects. Now copy this slide and here. We select all of them, we rotate them to the perfect alignment. So how we are going to do that? It's a really good question. The rotation works perfect, but with a little problem. You see your PC may be crashed. So what we are going to do, we are going to select all of them at first, go to shape format, align them center, align them middle. Now we have two rotation. We can simply just select, rotate it to the perfect rotation we want. You see, it's going to crash. I don't understand why. Okay, it's rotate a lot of time. I'm going to rotate it to 19 degree. Okay, let me rotate it another time. Sorry, that's perfect. Now I'm going to select all of them and make them here. Now I'm going to create an effect that you are waiting for. Okay, let me just change the place a little. It's important to okay on the right thing, but it's really hard to find the right shape to click. You see, because this yellow one is going back. Okay, now it's good. If I can select this yellow one, everything is going to be great. So let's go for the yellow one and bring this up. Okay, now we copy that. Here in this slide, we align all of them center, middle, then copy the text. And I'm going to also put them higher. Okay, now just click on those two and set the transition to morph. Now let's take a look. This look perfectly amazing as possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.